this is Jax Watkins. Come on, Jax. Come on, let's flap. Whee! Come on and flap. Can you say hi to your mom? Oh, we're going to flap. You know you're hitting the flower. Are you going to hit the flower? Ooh, we're going to be flying soon. Don't worry, Kayla. We'll have wings trimmed before he goes. They don't like to take them in an airplane if they're flighted. Eee, what a pretty boy. He is such a pretty boy. Can you say hello, Jax? No? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? No? How about tickle, tickle? Can you say tickle, tickle? Want to do tickle, tickles? Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Whee! What a pretty boy. Pretty, pretty boy. Pretty, pretty boy. Say bye-bye.